Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest update on how to send photos to an Instagram group using your PC. This new feature makes sharing images within your groups easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps together. First, start by opening Instagram in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features seamlessly. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new. Next, look for the messages icon on the left menu. Clicking this will bring up your direct messages and groups. Now navigate to the group where you want to share your photo. Click on the group to enter the conversation. Once you're in the group chat, it's time to share that photo. Look for the photo icon located at the bottom of the message box. This icon is your gateway to selecting images from your computer. Click on it, and a File Explorer window will pop up. Now, choose the photo you wish to send. After selecting it, click on Open. This action will attach the photo to your message, ready for sharing with your group members. Finally, all that's left is to hit the Send button. By clicking this, your photo will be shared in the group chat, allowing everyone to see and engage with what you've sent. With these simple steps, you can easily share photos in an Instagram group using your PC. This update not only enhances your messaging experience, but also makes it more interactive and visually engaging. So go ahead and give it a try. Happy sharing!